Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. Today I'm sharing a super quick DIY Moringa conditioning mask for reversing hair damage which is done by excessive heat and chemical treatments. When done frequently and excessively, the chemicals used in the hair colors and straightening products can break the protein bonds that form your hair structure, and this creates gaps in the composition of the hair. Heat, on the other hand, can worsen the situation every time you use a heat styling tool like an iron, a curling tong, or even a dryer. The process of bond breakage is fastened. And what does that leave you with? Just frizzy and breakage prone hair. So the mask that we are going to make today will fortify the gaps created by these chemicals and heat and will help regain the hair its strength. Moringa is loaded with zinc, antioxidants, and has 4 times more beta carotene than carrot. This helps restore the natural structure and strength of the hair. So first, let's start with taking a few tablespoons of moringa powder. The quantity should be enough to cover your hair length. And if you're wondering where to get pure moringa powder from, so I have linked all the products down in the description box. So to this, we are going to add some freshly made or store-bought aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is an excellent hair and skin conditioner. It restores the moisture and hydration, making the hair supple, shinier and bouncier. If you are able to use freshly squeezed aloe vera gel, then nothing like it, because the results turn out to be even better. Since I do not have the freshly squeezed one, I'm just going to use a store-bought aloe vera gel. This paste at the moment might appear a little dry, but to this I'm going to add my most favorite and reliable DIY ingredient when it comes to fixing my super dry and frizzy hair. So ladies and gentlemen, here comes vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine is a very strong conditioner which can fix even badly damaged hair, and I tend to use it so frequently for hair conditioning. Now guys, if your hair is extremely unruly, curly, or even if your hair is prone to split ends and breakage, then do consider adding an egg as well, because egg protein is extremely good for difficult hair. So mix it all well, and here is our moringa hair conditioner ready. If you feel that this mask is dry at any point in time, just simply add some glycerine to adjust its consistency. Before applying, make sure that your hair is slightly damp. It really helps with the hair shaft absorbing the mask even better. So I'm just going to spray some water on my hair. Now apply from roots to lengths. Now all you have to do is just wait for 30 to 40 minutes for hair follicles to absorb all the goodness, and then later shampoo as you always do. And whenever you feel that the mask is getting a little too dry, just spray some water. So my angels, this was a very simple DIY that you can surely try at home. So do try this one out and let me know how did this one work for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.